Expand the logarithm. You have log base 7 of the cube root of w d to the 4th all over k to the 11th. When you expand things, you're going backwards. You're ripping this apart. So you always want to do the division part last, then the multiplication part, then the exponent part. So the division part makes me think, what must I have done in order to get log base 7 of blee over blah? Well, we must have subtracted. So I can write this out as log base 7 of blee, which is the cube root of w, d to the 4th, minus log base 7 of blah, which is k to the 11th. Then I ask myself, what must have I done, I think that's the correct grammar, in order for me to get log base 7 of this times that? Well, we must have added. So split that up through addition. Log base 7 of the cube root of w plus log base 7 of d to the 4th minus log base 7 of k to the 11th. Now we're going to bring out the exponents, but let me rewrite this differently first. The cube root of w can be written as w to the 1/3. Everything else, the way it should be, log base 7 of d to the 4th minus log base 7 of k to the 11th. And now I bring out my exponents and turn them into coefficients this way. So you become 1/3 log base 7 of w plus 4 log base 7 of d minus 11 log base 7 of k. And that looks like it's going to be A. Let me double check. Yup. It's A.